What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while since I did a vlog. Last time I did a video, I did like 6 videos within like a month. That's a lot for me. I was like burnt out from all of it. But now I'm back on the grind. Today I'm about to hit the gym and y'all know how I do it. I usually like to drop a beat before I send you off into the intro. So here's the intro.
Gotta let it go now. I know you're tired of the same thing. See that you've been searching for some hope now. He got you looking for some strange and you found that. Let me take you home now. Taking off your clothes, they on the floor now. See your silhouette up in the door now. It's about to go down. Know that's what you want and make me push up on it. That sensation feels like we've been rolling. Can you feel all this energy pumping your heart? I hear it beating. Looking for somebody that can take me to another place.
It's time for the gym. Game face on. Workout is done. Now it's time to go home and do some chores. See you guys in a little bit.
A few moments later.
The number one thing in life, you have to like write down everything you're gonna do today or what you're gonna do for the week, and then you gotta knock it out. You know when reality sinks in and you forced to be an adult but you don't want to, but you have to clean because you're a mess. So now I have to clean and I'm not happy about it. Alright, I'm done cleaning. Now, I think I want some tacos. You know what that means. The meat that I'm gonna use is steak, and I marinated myself. I'm just playing. I got this at Meat Pueblo. I think it was like, oh, it's 11 bucks. I can't marinate no meat. But it is my secret ingredients that I do put in there. If you ever have my tacos, you already know it's bomb.com. So you're supposed to peel the skin off of this onion. Cut the onion right down the middle. Booyah. Alright, now we're gonna cut the onion. Now we're gonna cut the cilantro. And there you have it. Now we're gonna wait until the pan gets a little warm. Thing I do, I like to touch it a little bit, see how hot it is, you know. Alright, the pan ready. Now you're just gonna put your hand in there. Throw the meat in. Alright, the trick here, you have to wait until the meat turns a little brown. And you just start stabbing it. You're gonna start stabbing it and twisting it. That's all you're gonna do. It's easy peasy. So you can get about here. Now you're in business. Alright, so once you're at this point now, you want to put some lime inside of this meat while it's cooking. It's the best. You're only missing one ingredient. Alright, now once you're at this point, you want to put the tortilla over the meat. Get that little grease inside of that tortilla. Have a little flavor. You want to put it on it. What can I say? I'm a beast at making tacos. That's how I do it. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek right now. You didn't think I was gonna be able to pull it off, huh? Now the taste test. Let's see what we got here. More. Look at y'all. Instagram, y'all showing up over here. I see y'all. Snapchat, what y'all doing over there? Facebook is alright. It's doing alright on the ratings. I really don't use Facebook because I always deactivate it, but it did pretty good. But Instagram, look at y'all. Y'all killing it. Y'all are killing the ratings. Thank you for watching. Let's get deeper in this thing. So I only average about like 100, 150. I got one video there. I got one video that went kind of viral. Look. Boom. So yeah, I do want to give a couple shout outs. Shout out to all my friends from high school. Shout out to all my friends and family, and a shout out to all my coworkers and all my YouTubers. It's not too many. I only got like 33 subscribers. Not that many, but thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.